What's going on, guys? Andrew here, coming to you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Sony WH-1000X M4. I know it's a crazy name, but I've heard nothing but amazing things off these headphones, so I'm going to unbox it, let you know how they sound, and I'll be giving my full review in a whole nother video. But for right now, this is just going to be an unboxing, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. As you see on the box, it looks really nice. It has some little saran wrap around this. As you see, it says industry leading noise cancellation. Then you also have 360 reality audio. You have Google Assistant and Alexa. On top of that, you're going to be able to get 30 hours of playtime with the noise cancellation on. And if you have it off, full charge will give you 38 hours. Another thing with this is that they don't have to be wireless. So if you really do run out of battery, you can use the cable that's provided in here. Then on the side here, it just has Sony's logo. On the back, it shows off basically some of the features and whatnot, like the sliding gestures. Just 10 minutes of charge is going to give you 5 hours of playtime with the noise cancellation on. You have hands-free HD calling, so it really cancels out the noise, and it's actually going to hear you better because it has those built-in microphones. It's going to be USB Type-C. Again, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack cable. You're going to get an airplane adapter, and it also comes with a carrying case, which is like a soft touch carrying case. But let's go ahead and get right into it. The whole reason I got this thing was honestly because of MKBHD, so shout out to you, Marquez, if you're ever watching this video. But the reason why I got these, they also were on sale for Black Friday, and that's probably why most people are watching this video. By the time this video comes out though, it's going to be past Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but I got this for $278, and it actually was even cheaper because I have some gift card balance left on my Amazon website. So yeah, go ahead and open this up. No, I didn't even need my knife for that, so here we go. Alright, feels really good in the hands, as you know Flossie Carter says. Feels nice though, it has this like grippy texture. It's not just like, it's not just this like regular white box, so I think you slide it out this way. Alright. Nice presentation so far. As you see here, it shows easy setup. It has NFC enabled, so you can actually pair this up if your device has NFC, which most phones do. So I'm going to pair this up to like my Galaxy, and it shouldn't take any long. I already have the app installed. I'll be sure to leave the link to purchase this in the description box below, and I'll also leave the link to the app, so depending on your app store. So as you see here, this is the headphones themselves. It's a nice slim case. It's not huge. It feels light. Nice gold accents to it, or really bronze accents. And then it also has a little pouch right here so you can carry stuff. I don't think I'm really going to use that part. We'll sit this down. Then right here, you have your usual books and crap. As you see here, all this stuff. QR codes, 360 audio. You really need it, you can have it. I'll probably leave the code in the description box. Let's go ahead and see what the headphones look like. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the headphones themselves. Again, the carrying case feels really nice. It's actually not just a soft carrying case, it is a hard one. Nice oval shape. Open it up like so, and there you have those nice headphones. They look awesome. Really lightweight too. They feel really good. Every time I look at them in the videos, I keep thinking they're going to be like bigger on like my head or something, but they're very lightweight. Another plus about this is that when you take these off, they will just automatically pause. And again, I'm going to test all that in like the full review, so please subscribe to the channel if you do want to see that full review. But overall, the design of it is really nice. I really like those bronze accents to it. It looks honestly like a rose gold color. And these are the microphones on top here. I know it looks like a USB Type-C cable, but those are the microphones. Then as you see here on the bottom, you have a USB Type-C. It is a little light at the bottom there. We'll see if that turns on. On this side, it shows the custom button. I imagine that's for your Google Assistant and whatnot. This is your power on button right here. So it won't be hard to really get that confused. This one is a little bit larger than the power button. They also have the little branding for WH 1000 XM4s. It shows all of that on the top there. Super soft. They honestly feel like comfort level like Beats. That's honestly what it reminds me of at that comfort level. I'll go ahead and put them on really quick. Make sure I have the right side. It does show right and left. And again, it does have the swivel design. Stretchy. All right, here we go. Man, wow. I know I'm talking still the same voice, but I can barely hear my voice right now. I barely can hear my voice already. That's crazy. I mean, it's already canceling out already a large amount of noise just with that being on. So that probably is a factor that already plays into the noise cancellation. But I can't wait to see how they sound when I turn them on. We'll go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and get them paired up and let you all know how like fast the process is with pairing them and whatnot. Oh, and one other thing. Here's the cable. As you see here, this is the 3.5 millimeter, and then you also have your airplane adapter right here. There you go. It's not gold plated. It's just a regular airplane adapter. I don't really know why you need that anymore. And then you have your tiny USB A to USB Type C, as you see here. I probably won't be using this little thing. This is way too small. I already have a nice cable by Anchor. I'll leave that in the link description below too. It's a USB Type C fast charging one. So yeah. All right, guys. So to connect these, basically what I'm going to do is power it on. We're going to go ahead and see the light turns on. There you go. Turns blue. It says power on. It's now in pairing mode. I'll go ahead and put my phone to it. And it says yes. Because I have NFC, you're just going to hold it up to here. And it's now connected. That's how fast it is. It doesn't take no time at all. I can barely hear my voice right now. This is crazy. So I'm using the app right now. I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Wow. The amount of noise cancellation, that's that's pretty wild. I used to have a pair of noise cancellation headphones a long time ago. They weren't even Bose, but they were basically just as good as Bose. They were called Able Planets. I don't even think the brand's around anymore, but that's the fastest I've ever seen pairing for this. So I'm gonna go ahead. Basically, you just need to agree. In fact, I'll come up to show you all to make sure I'm showing it on the screen. All right. So as you see here, just gonna say yes, I agree. Yada yada yada. You know everyone doesn't read that, but you really should. Press next. Agree and proceed. The improvement and development. Bam, there you go. Adaptive sound control. Basically, it detects when you're talking to someone or wherever you are. So if you're in like if you're like running or something, or if you're in a car, or if you're just listening to music on a plane or something. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. Location is used for this, just to let you know, and just do it only while you're in the app. All right, guys, so it's connected and everything. The last thing I need to do now is just put on some music. Just for this demo, I have everything at the same equal settings. I'll play with like the tunes and whatnot. And like I said, I'm going to have a full review for this, but I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to let you all know what I really think of the product and just show you all what it had to offer. For a couple of tests, the first song I'm going to do is Blue Laces 2 by Nipsey Hussle. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's put it on. I'm using YouTube Music. So yeah. Here we go. Noise cancellation is at its max. No ambient sound in. And I can barely hear my voice. So here we go. Regular volume. Here we go. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yo, guys. All right, next song is going to be Hate the Real Me by Future. All right, we're going to do Hate the Real Me. This has a bunch of bass in it. So I'm trying to test the bass, and then we'll do another song that's like more treble heavy. Oh man, these sound amazing. Last song I'm gonna do is "Into You" by Tamia. This is an older song featuring Fabulous, but this one has more treble at the beginning, so I just want to test the treble really quick, and I'll give you all my thoughts. Oh my gosh! All right, the I gotta take the headphones off because I don't know how loud I'm talking. These are amazing. Oh, one thing I do need to test though really quick is if it turns off or if it auto pauses when I take it off. So we'll go ahead and do that really quick. Hold on. Play it. Yeah, they pause. Okay, so we'll put it back on. It thought I did the assistant button, so it went to it just paused again, so we'll put it on. Oh, oh. Conclusion, these are the best headphones that I've listened to. The noise cancellation, it's not like how the old noise cancellation used to kind of feel compressed on your ear. It's more of the noise cancellation where it's working and you're still getting that amazing sound and it's not gonna like mess up your ears or something. These sound amazing for the price, especially right now. They're obviously just gonna be on sale probably for the rest of the year. It'll be a long time before we see those M5s, but for right now, these are definitely the best headphones that I've listened to. I've listened to a nice amount of headphones, both like very expensive, and these are awesome. These are definitely the best noise cancellating headphones that I've listened to so far. And I definitely think it's worth the price. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'll leave all the links in the description below for where you can get this product for basically the cheapest price. I'll also leave the link in the description below for the app and for my Instagram if you want to follow me there. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. All you have to do is click that subscribe button if you want to join the O Squad. Remember to enable push notifications so you can stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Till next time, you guys. Peace out.